Nature is the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees, the hills and the mountains, streams, the rivers and the lakes,
and deadly rattlesnakes,
and everything in between. The planets and the stars, Sagittarius and Mars,
and galaxies everywhere.
Beyond nature, beyond nature. Can anything exist beyond nature?
I'm quite sure that man can bring to nature something more.
There's houses and cars,
and chewy candy bars.
big buildings standing tall.
Bridges and dams, secret highways on the land, electronic